Well, hi knickknackers, we are back and I have my nephews with me again, Tyson and Nathan. And I just thought I would show you guys what I do after I get done with a canning session. So after it's been at least 24 hours, these have actually been sitting here a couple of days because I worked. I take my jars. This is the beef stroganoff that I canned the other day. And the first thing I do is I take the rings off and set them on the counter. Those will be run through the dishwasher later. And I'm going to bring this over here, and we're going to put that in the sink and get this turned to kind of hot water. We like it, you know, if there's any grease on that jar or anything, we want to get it nice and warm. So Nathan, I want you to take that washcloth, and let's get some soap on it. And this one's the soap. Pump it a couple times, okay? And rub it in there, and then wash that jar with the hot soapy water. All the way, the top, the bottom, the sides. Yep, the sides, all of it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yep, did you do all the sides and the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you wash the bottom?
Yeah.
I didn't see you wash the bottom.
I did it. I went like this.
Okay, do you feel greasy at all? Here, let me take a look. We got to make sure we get all the grease on. Oh, I still feel some grease on there. Yeah. Get in there and wash it really good. Sometimes that grease likes to stick. And then we just set that down, rinse that all off until it doesn't feel slimy anymore. Okay?
Okay.
And then we're going to put this over here, and Tyson's going to dry it off for me.
This is warm water.
Yeah, we like it warm.
My hands are just going to be wet for the whole entire video. Right?
Yep.
Well, at least
There
half
you
of
go.
it. My hands are made for the one third tight. And then we're just going to go. You cracked all the pans. What? Oh.
So occasionally you'll get a jar like this one that it doesn't really want to come off very easily. Simple, easy tip. Just tip it upside down, give it a knock or two against the counter, and that time it didn't work.
Now what do I do with this?
Leave it there on the towel. Take that off, and now we're ready to go. And when we're washing, we're putting the jars upside down, we're doing all that, so we know that those lids are on tight. And that's how we know we got a good seal.
But I keep going there, so.
That's okay. There's more in there. Just keep pumping it. All right, so the boys have washed and dried all the jars, and the lids are already all sealed down. They went through the washing process. They are good to go. So now we just have to label them. So I'll just write beef stroganoff and the year. Some people put the month and day, and or they have cute little labels, which maybe someday I'll do because they are adorable. But I haven't done that yet. For now, this is how I label. So I'll go through, I'll finish labeling these, and then they are ready for the pantry shelf. Okay, so one of the questions that I see come up in the canning community quite often is whether we actually need to take the rings off of our jars. And the answer is, for sure, a yes, so that you can wash the jars and, of course, wash any lids. But after that, if you want to put a lid on, you can do so. However, I will tell you that I have had experiences where it almost always it has been with either meat or with beans. The lid has actually popped off. And if you put a ring on this, you might actually get a false seal, which is very scary. So I recommend you taking the rings off and storing them with them off. If you want to gift them, you can always put a ring on it when you give it to them. That way, if it does come in sealed, you're not going to end up with a fake seal. You go to open it, and always, before you use a jar, Do a couple of that and hold it, and if it stays sealed, you are good to go. So there you have it. Our beef broth is now ready for the shelves. We're getting in some good visiting time, even some smiles. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to share, comment, like, subscribe, and click the bell to make sure that you can watch the videos right when they come out.